Welcome to our virtual technical troubleshooting services. Are you tired of dealing with frustrating technical issues that disrupt your workflow and productivity? Look no further. Our virtual technical troubleshooting services is here to provide you with fast, reliable, and efficient solution to all your IT and machine related problems. Whether you are an individual user or a business owner, our experienced team of technical experts is dedicated to resolving your issues and getting you back on track. Why choose our technical troubleshooting service? Expertise. Our team comprises highly skilled professionals with a deep understanding of various technologies and systems. They are up to date with the latest trends and troubleshooting techniques, ensuring that they can tackle even the most complex issues. Comprehensive solutions. No matter the nature of your problem, we have got you covered. From software glitches to hardware malfunctions, network connectivity to peripheral setup, our team can address a wide range of technical challenges. Virtual convenience. Our services are entirely online and virtual, making it incredibly convenient for you to seek help from the comfort of your home or office. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying your devices to a physical service center. Timely responses. We understand the urgency of technical issues, which is why we strive to provide prompt responses and solutions. Our team is committed to minimizing your downtime and ensuring a seamless experience. Personalized assistance. We don't believe in one size fits all solutions. Our experts take time to understand your specific problem and tailor their troubleshooting approach accordingly. How our service works. Submit your request. Start by submitting a detailed description of the issue you are facing through our online portal. Include any relevant information about your device, software, and the problem symptoms. Diagnosis. Once we receive your request, our team will review the information provided and may reach out to you for professional details if needed. This step helps us accurately diagnose the problem. Troubleshooting. Our technical experts will devise a targeted troubleshooting plan based on the diagnosis. They will guide you through the process step by step or, if necessary, remotely access your device to fix the issue. Resolution. Our primary goal is to resolve your issue efficiently, whether it's a software tweak, configuration adjustment, or hardware replacement. We'll work tirelessly until your problem is solved. Follow up and support. After the issue is resolved, our team will follow up with you to ensure everything is working smoothly. We are also available to answer any questions you might have or provide guidance to prevent similar issues in the future. Types of issues we handle: operating system errors, software installation and compatibility, network and internet connectivity, printer and peripheral setup, hardware malfunctions, data recovery and backup, virus and malware removal, email configuration, and much more. Don't let technical troubles hold you back. Experience the convenience and expertise of our virtual technical troubleshooting services today. Trust us to get your devices and systems back to optimal performance. Contact us now to get started. For more information, contact us.